friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video, we're looking at the best curbside deals over at Walgreens for the week of June the 21st to the 27th. Lots of very cheap items, stacking boosters and magic in this video. And what is a curbside deal? Well, you're ordering this stuff through the app, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up, and that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup. And you are hitting the button on the left-hand side with the green check. That is your curbside pickup, and it is that easy. You can use little discount codes doing it curbside, so that's why it's a bit more advantageous to do it that way. Alternatively, if you are the kind of shopper that wants to be in store, you want to be dealing with register rewards, you want to see what you're buying, and you're just not about online shopping, watch yesterday's video linked at the very end. Lots of reasonable deals there, including a $40 free basket, Nivea for men, Head and Shoulders, and some Colgate. $40 digital coupons. It's that easy. We break it down line by line. So check out that video at the end. Okay, let's start with deal number one. For this one, we're stacking the 15 back when you spend 45 and a 9 back when you spend 40 on general merchandise. So altogether, that just makes it just one of the greatest deals when you can get this double stack rocking and rolling. You're getting back $24 on a $45 basket. So for this one, we're going to grab one of these Oral-B IO. If you see, guys, there's a 10 off of 1 digital coupon. So we're going to make sure that gets loaded for this deal. Plus, we're going to use the discount code June20 to save an additional $10. Now, the manufacturer coupon won't affect the balance, but June20 will. But because we are at $59.99, subtracting 10, we're still at $49.99. So for both boosters, we're there to earn it back. For the spend 45 to earn back 15, and the spend 40 to earn back 9. Hopefully you're following what I'm saying. So after that and the other $10 manufacturer, you're going to pay $42.99 with your debit card or credit card, and then you're getting back $24.59. Makes a brush that I think is just under $100 on a non-sales week, about $15, so that's a heck of a deal. And remember, do not use any Walgreens cash as you're using 2 different boosters. Okay, deal number 2. For this one, we're going to be grabbing some supplements with the Nature's Bounty. There's also an additional 3 off 2 manufacturer. This is a 10 back when you spend 25. So we're going to add at least $25 worth of vitamins. And then we're also doing a $40 basket, and we have this booster also part of the fun and games. So I threw in a very expensive fish oil supplement for $25.99. And then we have a 3 off 2 manufacturer. You can see right there you have to load. And then a ladies dietary supplement one. If you want to mix and match it, but just make sure you get to $25 of these Nature's Bounty vitamins. It has to be that specific one as well. Because there's a lot of them with similar names, but it's that one. Also, I'm going to throw into the basket 4 different sets of Tampax tampons that are 2 for $10, and we have a $2 coupon to go with. I just think that this is a really good deal for the Always pads or the Tampax, because we don't often get deals that work with this, with the coupons and stuff. And why not throw it into a basket, especially if you use this type of feminine care. Now, just to show you our $2 coupon, our 3 off of 2, another 2, and then using the code June 15th, $5.85 melting off right there. Overall total for the basket is $45.99, subtracting $5.85. We are at $40.15. So for the spend 25 to earn back 10, you're there. And for the spend 40 to earn back 9, you're there just by a hair. $7 in manufacturers melting off. You are going to spend $33.14 with your debit card. Do not use Walgreens cash, and you're getting back 19. For the 6 items, it's $14, so it's like $2.35 per. Not bad. Remember, don't use Walgreens cash as you're using 2 different boosters. This deal, I'm going to kind of say I would probably do it in store. Double, triple check that your IBOTTA has this rebate as well. The Tyson crispy chicken 25-ounce bags, the large ones, 2 of them for $19.98. If you're doing this in store, if you have register rewards, throw them towards this because that $19.98 is kind of gross. Over on IBOTTA, there is $7.83 on the Tyson's chicken strip 25-ounce bags. Make sure that rebate is there. It makes it $12.15 for the 2 or $6.07 per after IBOTTA. Unfortunately, I could not get a discount code to attach with this. So because this is an item that should be refrigerated, I think I would probably do this in store. I just think it's the smarter way to go. But if you wanted to do this curbside, add $20 more of stuff to get you to that $40 mark to get back the 9. You can also do that as well, but this is a deal with IBOTTA. It's a very high value cashback courtesy of Tyson that I would absolutely do, especially if you have a lot of Walgreens cash or register rewards to get that chicken strips on the cheap. Deal number 4. Tootsie Roll candies are on a promotion of buy one, get one free, and they're 15-ounce bags, so you're getting quite a little bit there. So $5.99 with one free. I'm not sure what other candies are in fact included, but you might want to look through the app if you are a candy person. I think this would travel pretty well in a car too in the summertime if you're taking a long road trip. You just need some candy, or if you provide candy at your office. So with that, and then 2 of these Axe body washes, buy one, get one 50% off for $8.98. And we have a 5 off 2 digital coupon. So make sure you load that for this spectacular deal. And for this one, absolutely ask the cashier to process it through a regular register so you can get a physical receipt to photograph this for Fetch. There might be some sort of a rebate for that as well with Fetch. And then just to show you using the code WAG10, 40 cents off, plus that big $5 coupon for the Axe body wash. There is no reward for that, just it's $1.99 after everything's said and done. But just to show you guys the overall total for the purchase of the Tootsie Roll Tootsie Pops, those Tootsie candies, and the 2 Axe, it's $14.97, 40 cents with WAG 10, and a $5 digital. That's $10.08. If you want to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it. Pay 8 cents and call this a really good deal and get that receipt so you can send it off to Fetch to get some extra points. Why not? You have nothing to lose. In case you missed it yesterday, my in-store deals linked right here if you want to check it out. Lots of great deals too this week in store. That shampoo deal, spend 15, earn back 5, is still ongoing, and that Head & Shoulders is almost close to free in one of my transactions. Check it out. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.